Not wanting to spend money on legal fees when you've separated is completely understandable. You might have reached agreement with your partner on what you guys think is a fair split, and that's understandable. However, if you haven't received legal advice, there's only two options. One is that it was a fair and reasonable settlement. Great, you've reached agreement, you don't know that. The other option is one party has received more than they should have. Why would you risk missing out on what you should get simply to try and save a little bit of money on legal fees? Sure, if you don't have a huge asset base, for example, under $100,000 in assets, maybe you don't need to speak to lawyers. But anything over that, you should at least get some advice on whether the proposed deal is fair to you. Why would you risk missing out on, say, $50,000 or $100,000 that you're entitled to in order to save $2,000 or $3,000 on legal fees? It just doesn't make sense. If you have anywhere under $100,000 worth of assets, it may not be worth speaking to a lawyer. If you both go to lawyers, you could end up spending $10,000 or $15,000 in legal fees, which is a huge percentage of the asset pool. Yes, you should absolutely have a property settlement done properly, but that can look different, and there are community legal services out there that can help you if you don't have a reasonable asset pool. Clearly, for anything more significant, you should absolutely seek legal advice just to make sure you're getting everything you're entitled to.